When we think of sugary drinks, the first things that come to mind are usually enjoyment, refreshment, and the occasional indulgence. A cold soda on a hot day, a sweetened coffee during a busy morning, or a refreshing juice after lunch seem harmless and familiar. Rarely do we imagine that these same drinks, brimming with fructose and glucose, could act as silent partners for cancer cells, providing the energy and support they need to move, adapt, and spread throughout the body. Yet the recent study in Nature Metabolism highlights exactly that sugary beverages interact with the enzyme SORD, transforming ordinary sugar into a powerful fuel that cancer cells can exploit, effectively enabling them to embark on a global tour of metastasis. While this may sound alarming, the research also carries a positive and empowering message. Understanding this mechanism gives science and individuals actionable tools to intervene and reduce risk. Imagine the body as a vast, interconnected city with diverse neighborhoods. Each cell has its role, maintaining infrastructure, managing energy flow, repairing damage, and ensuring the city runs smoothly. Cancer cells, however, are like travelers who have been confined to one district but suddenly find the resources to explore new areas. The sugars from beverages act as high-octane fuel, and SORD, the enzyme responsible for converting sugar into usable energy, serves as a turbocharged engine. Together, this combination energizes cancer cells, giving them the mobility, adaptability, and resilience to leave their original neighborhood and establish themselves in new regions. A simple sip of soda, sweetened juice, or iced tea becomes, at a molecular level, a launch pad for cancer cells on a journey they were never meant to take. The positive takeaway lies in the clarity and precision this research provides. For years, the connection between sugar and cancer progression was understood only broadly, with many unanswered questions. This study maps the pathway. Sugar fuels SORD, SORD energizes cancer cells, and these cells gain the ability to migrate and metastasize. This understanding empowers scientists to develop precise interventions. By targeting SORD, researchers could regulate or inhibit the enzyme, cutting off the fuel supply cancer cells rely on while leaving normal metabolism intact. What once seemed uncontrollable now becomes actionable, giving hope for more effective, targeted strategies to slow or prevent cancer's spread. On an individual level, the findings offer practical, empowering guidance. Reducing sugary drink intake is no longer just about weight management or metabolic health. It is a tangible way to limit the energy available to cancer cells. Choosing water, unsweetened teas, or whole fruits instead of sodas and sweetened beverages deprives cancer cells of the fuel they need for their global tour, helping to keep them in check. Each small, mindful choice becomes an actionable preventive measure, demonstrating that our daily decisions can have profound effects on cellular processes and long-term health. Knowledge, in this context, transforms into power. Another hopeful insight comes from understanding the role of SORD itself. This enzyme is not inherently harmful. It plays an essential role in normal metabolism, converting sugar into energy that healthy cells need to function. The problem arises only when excess sugar from beverages interacts with cancerous cells, creating conditions that support metastasis. This specificity is encouraging because it allows for targeted interventions that are intelligent, precise, and minimally disruptive to normal biology. Biology is not an uncontrollable force. It is a system that can be understood, guided, and influenced through both lifestyle choices and scientific insight. Ultimately, sugary drinks, the silent partners in cancer's global tour, reframe sugary beverages from innocent indulgences into influential but manageable contributors to cancer progression. The study illuminates a clear mechanism, identifies actionable targets for research and intervention, and underscores the power of knowledge, awareness, and lifestyle choices in maintaining health. Sugar may provide temporary fuel for cancer cells on their molecular journey, but understanding, informed decisions, and targeted science give us the tools to slow or prevent that journey, protect healthy cells, and transform what could seem like a threatening scenario into one of hope, control, and resilience.